Right, so what we've got here is a two-way table question, basically. So what I would do is go through the question and sort of either highlight, underline your key bits of information. So it says a teacher asked 30 students, so 30, if they had school lunch, packed lunch, or if they went home for lunch. Okay? Then you're also told about that there were 17 were boys, 4 of the boys had a packed lunch, 7 girls had a school lunch, and 3 out of the 5 students who went home were boys.
I think we'll leave the phone.
Work out the number of students who had a packed lunch. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a two-way table. So I always put boys and girls there, and we've got school lunch, packed lunch, or home lunch. And then remember, we've got total and total. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fill in the bits of information that are given in the question. So we know that the teacher asked 30 students. So 30 is going to go in here because that's the overall total. Right, 17 of the students were boys. So 17 of the total were boys, so 17 can go there. I'm just going to tick that off because I've put that piece of information in. Right, 4 of the boys had a packed lunch, so I can put that there. 4 had a packed lunch. 7 girls had a school lunch, so that goes there. Just tick those off. And finally, 3 of the 5 students who went home were boys. So we've actually got 2 pieces of information there. We were told that 5 students went home, and 3 of them were boys. So we've got all the information now in our table that we can get. So now it's just a case of working out where can we start to fill in the missing gaps. So I'm going to start there. 3 add something is 5, so that's going to be 2. Okay. Here we've got 4 add 3, add something is 17. So 4 add 3 is 7, so that's got to be 10. Right here, 17 add something is 30, so that's got to be 13. And then finally, 7 add 2 is 9, so what do you have to add on to 9 to get to 13 is 4. So just for completion, I'm going to complete the table. So we've got 17 there, 10 add 7, 4 add 4 is 8, and now what did it say? Work the number of students who had a packed lunch. So it's 8 students.